Hello students, question number 12, exercise 9.1. The question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, let's start. Draw the diagram of this question. So one building and one tower. So let A, B be the building and CD be the tower. So and BD ground level. So building height is 7-meter high building. So AB is 7-meter high. 7 meter. Okay, and the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower and from the top of a 7-meter high building. So from this point, from the top of a 7-meter high building top is A. So from this point to top of the cable tower, that is C point. So, and this is the parallel line, that is parallel to BD. Suppose this is E point, and from A to C, top of a 7-meter high building, that is A point to C point, angle of elevation is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. This A to C, and the angle of depression of its foot means D point, foot of the tower, and from the same point A, this angle of depression and angle always with base. So this angle is 45 degree. This is 45 from A point to D point. This 45 is angle of depression, and this angle, this is 90, this is also 90 total perpendicular, and from A to D, that is with base 45 degree, and this angle and this angle are equal because alternate angle. So this also 45. Alternate angles are equal. Okay, and let the height of the tower be H meter. Suppose height of the tower, that means CD, H, and AB 7, so DE also 7, and EC is total is H, so H minus 7. and this is also 7. And suppose base is x meter, and this is the CD is the tower. So this is the tower, cable tower, and AB is the building. So this is the building. This is building. So let AB be the height of the building, and CD is H meter, be the height of the tower, given, and let BD equal to, and let BD be x meter base, and given AB equal to, that is building, 7 meter AB, and angle CAE is 60 degree, angle ADB 45 degree. So in two triangles, one is ACE and another one is ABD. So in right triangle ACE, CE perpendicular by base AE. So CE by AE perpendicular by base tan 60 degree. Angle is 60. So C is H minus 7, and AE and BD are same. This is also X. So this is X equal to tan 60 root 3. Right, since AE equal to BD, and this is equal to X. This was same. So cross multiply, H minus 7 equal to X root 3, and H equal to 7 plus X root 3. This is number 1. Now from another triangle, in right triangle ABD, AB by BD perpendicular by base, angle is 45, tan 45. So AB equal to 7 and BD equal to X equal to tan 45 is 1. So cross multiply, X equal to 7. X equal to 7 meter. This is number 2. So X value we got 7 meter. Now putting the value of X in equation 1. Putting the value of X in equation 1, we get, so H is equal to 7 plus X root 3 and equal to 7 plus, and X is 7, so 7 root 3. 7 root 3. So 7 plus 7 root 3, 7 is common. 1 plus root 3 H. Therefore h is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Question is determine the height of the tower, and h means height of the tower. So hence the height of the tower is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the answer. Thank you.